All Anvil data grids have powerful yet easy to use charting functions. Here we are displaying sales by category for a distribution center. In order to chart, I need to select the rows and columns to chart. By default, all rows are selected for inclusion in the chart, but I need to specify what columns I want to chart. To do that, I simply click in the column that I want to chart. First, I'll do a simple chart showing sales and margin. And I'll choose a column chart and I'll pop it up. Here you'll see that the totals row has been included along with all the other rows, and it skews the chart a little bit. So I'm going to just select the total row for omission, which is default, and then pop the chart back up again. And here we can see that the row for totals has been excluded. I can deselect the totals row and then just compare my top 5 by clicking them and then including them and then pop it up, and we have the top 5 categories for this distribution center. The charts are interactive. Hovering over any of the columns will show the detail specific to that column and its related column. I can chart different kinds of data if I want. For example, dollar amounts, which is sales and margin, compared to margin percents. To start another chart, I can refresh the screen and I'll deselect totals again, and I'll select sales versus prior year sales, margin percent versus prior year margin percent, and I can pop that chart up. Again, hovering over the data shows all the detail. In addition to pop-up charts, you can display the chart in a full screen, and that is quite useful if you would like to save the chart as an image for inclusion in a presentation or a PDF. And that's simply done by clicking on the download. Charts or grid views can be configured to display default charts. In this case, I've gone straight to the sales by sales rep, and you can see there's a number of entries here. There's 110 salespeople that have sales data, but the default chart simply shows the top 15 salesperson with their sales this year versus their sales last year.